Okay friends, so we've been learning about division in our class, and now we're gonna test our division skills on the computer. We're gonna play some games. So I want you guys to go to the search bar on your computers, click it, and you're gonna type mathgames.com, and then it's going to take you to this math website, and you're going to go down to this pink bar where it says grades. After that, you have to find this orange box with grade 3 or 3rd grade, because you guys are in 3rd grade. You're going to go down all the way. These are all the skills you're going to learn, or that you already know. But for now, we're going to focus on division. So once you find division, I want you guys to go down to the 3rd box. So first, 2nd, 3rd box where it says 3.58. Click on it. It says division with divisors up to 10. And you're going to get a word problem. So once you get that word problem, you're going to click on the scratch pad. And before that, I do want you guys to read the word problem to yourselves, so I'm going to demonstrate that. And it would look like this. The library is getting rid of 50 old books. 2 people come and take all the books. Dividing them equally, remember that keyword equally, how many books does each person get? So now you guys did notice I opened my scratch pad. It does give you a scratch pad for you to use. And now I'm going to click the pencil, and I'm going to label my word problem. So the library is getting rid of 50 old books. 50 old books. What does that mean? That is my total, friends. That's the total number of books that I have. And then it says 2 people come and take all the books, dividing them equally, meaning everybody gets the same amount. And I'm dividing that between 2 people. So 2 people is what? 2 people is my groups that I have. So my total divided by my group. T divided by G, which is total divided by groups, what I just said, gives you the number per group. So in this case, I would have 50 books divided by 2, because I'm dividing it by 2 people. And since I know this in my head, I already know the answer, but you guys are going to draw out your groups. So I have 2 groups, group 1, group 2. You guys have to distribute your total between the number of groups. So in this case, my total is 50, and I'm dividing that by 2, which is 25. So 25 books per person. Now, since I solved that, I'm going to test it out and see if I'm right. So I'm going to close my sketch pad, or my scratch pad, and I'm going to type in my answer. So 25, I think that's my answer. We'll see if I'm right. And then answer, and there you go. And it's going to give you another word problem. You're going to do all these. And notice there are levels. So right now I'm on level 1. You guys are going to start on level 1 as well and work your way up to 4. Once you guys are done, if you guys have any questions during or after your activity, I'm going to be around, and you guys can ask me whatever questions you guys have. So have fun learning, my friends.